Good job! It is a proboscis monkey. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a proboscis monkey. Proboscis monkeys are like the comical, long-nosed acrobats of the mangrove forests. They have large, pendulous noses and potbellies. Proboscis monkeys are excellent swimmers and leapers, and their distinctive calls can be heard echoing through the trees. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a narwhal. Narwhals are like the mystical unicorns of the Arctic seas. They have long, spiral tusks that can reach lengths of several feet. Narwhals are skilled swimmers and use their tusks to navigate through icy waters. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a black-crowned night heron. Black-crowned night herons are like the stealthy, nocturnal fishermen of wetlands and marshes. They have a black crown on their heads and a stocky build. These herons hunt at night and are known for their patience while waiting for the perfect moment to catch a meal. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is an African wild dog. African wild dogs are like the spirited, painted runners of the savannah. They have a mottled coat with patches of black, white, and tan. African wild dogs are expert hunters, using teamwork and strategy to catch their prey. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a dhole. Dholes are like the spirited, social canines of the Asian forests. They have a reddish-brown coat and are highly vocal. Dholes are skilled hunters, using teamwork to take down prey much larger than themselves. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a mantis shrimp. Mantis shrimp are like the colorful, swift fighters of the coral reefs. They have striking colors and powerful, club-like appendages. Mantis shrimp have incredible eyesight and are known for their lightning-fast punches, used for hunting and self-defense.
Hi friends, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to see more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.